When it comes to car ownership, most people think they're too smart to get scammed. But the truth is, the automotive industry has updated its tricks, and millions of drivers are still falling for the same traps every single year. And the worst part? Many of these scams look completely normal on the surface. Today, you're going to see 10 of the most common automotive tricks that continue to drain wallets, frustrate drivers, and fool even experienced car owners. The urgent fluid flush. One of the easiest ways dealerships make money is by convincing you that your car desperately needs a fluid flush. Coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, transmission fluid. Someone somewhere will tell you it needs to be replaced way earlier than necessary. Most modern cars can go tens of thousands of miles before a flush is even worth considering. Yet drivers are told they need one at 25,000 miles, or the car might suffer permanent damage. And because nobody wants to risk their engine or brakes, people say yes. But this is nothing compared to the next scam, one that hits you before you even leave the lot. The window etching fee. Many dealerships slip in a line on the paperwork for VIN window etching. Some charge $200, some charge $400, and a few have been caught charging over $600 for a service that costs $20 if you do it yourself. It's presented as a mandatory theft protection fee, but in reality, you can decline it without any issue. Most drivers never realize that because it's added in the most confusing part of the buying process, the finance office, where people are already overwhelmed. And if that sounds sneaky, wait until you see how the finance department manipulates your car loan without you even noticing. Payment manipulation in the finance office. Instead of discussing the total price of the car, some finance managers focus on one number: your monthly payment. By stretching your loan to 7 or even 8 years, they make the monthly payment look affordable, while quietly increasing the interest you'll pay over time. Then they slip in add-ons like extended warranties, tire plans, and dent protection, all rolled into the payment, so you barely notice. You walk out thinking you got a deal, and they smile because you just signed one of the most profitable contracts of the year. But dealerships aren't alone. Repair shops have their own tricks, and one of the biggest ones targets your battery. Your battery failed scam. Some shops use battery testers tuned to fail any battery that isn't brand new. A reading of 12.4 volts suddenly becomes dangerously low, even though that's perfectly normal for most cars. Drivers panic, assuming their car could die at any moment. And that's exactly what these shops rely on. The truth is, most weak battery warnings come from cold weather, short trips, or simple voltage dips. In real life, a proper battery test requires more than reading a number. It needs a load test, a crank test, and an age check. But the scams don't stop in the shop. Some start on the side of the road, when you're at your most vulnerable. Fake emergency towing quotes. Some tow truck companies quote a cheap price over the phone just to get your car on the hook. Once the car is loaded, the price suddenly jumps to 3 or 4 times the original amount. Others take your car to a tiny shop you've never heard of, one that charges massive storage fees or overpriced repairs. In a few states, entire tow companies have been exposed for essentially running ransom operations for broken-down cars. And as predatory as that sounds, there's an even more subtle scam happening during routine maintenance. The $250 cabin filter trick. Changing a cabin air filter takes 2 minutes and costs $15 to $20. But some dealerships charge over $200 for it, calling it urgent, critical, or recommended for air quality. They know most people don't want to crawl under the dashboard or open the glove box, so they take advantage. Many even show customers a dirty filter that isn't theirs just to push the sale. But this scam has nothing on the one involving your brakes. One that has fooled drivers for decades. The urgent brake job warning. Some shops tell customers their brakes are dangerously worn, even showing them brake pads pulled from a completely different car. Others insist that rotors must be replaced, even when they're well within spec, because it doubles the profit. It's a fear-based upsell that works on almost everyone. You hear unsafe to drive, and suddenly you're handing over hundreds of dollars you didn't expect to spend. But if that feels aggressive, wait until you hear how tire shops mislead drivers without saying a single word. Fake tire wear diagnosis and alignment scams. Uneven tire wear is one of the oldest tricks in the book. Some shops exaggerate the problem to sell alignments you don't need. Others push lifetime alignment packages, knowing full well most people will never come back enough times to get their money's worth. There have even been reports of chain shops intentionally misaligning vehicles so drivers return sooner. But nothing drains your wallet faster than the next scam, one hidden behind a simple diagnostic fee. The mystery diagnostic fee game. Diagnostic fees are supposed to cover the time and equipment needed to find a problem. But many shops charge $120 to $200, even when the issue is obvious within minutes. Some misdiagnose the problem on purpose, just so they can upsell additional repairs. Others charge for diagnostics, even when the customer already knows exactly what's wrong. And if that feels frustrating, get ready. The biggest scam of all happens once a year, and millions fall for it without even thinking. The annual maintenance myth. Some dealerships insist that every yearly visit must include expensive inspection packages filled with unnecessary checks. They charge hundreds for visual inspections anyone could do in their driveway. Many of these services aren't even recommended by the manufacturer. Drivers follow these schedules because they think skipping them will void their warranty. Another myth dealerships love to keep alive. And here's what all these scams have in common. They prey on fear, confusion, and the feeling that you're not an expert. The modern automotive world is full of tricks designed to look official, urgent, or helpful. But once you understand how these scams work, they start to fall apart. The truth is, knowledge is the most powerful tool a driver can have. And now that you know the 10 scams mechanics, dealerships, and companies rely on, you'll recognize them long before they have a chance to drain your wallet. Because the craziest part? These are just the scams we know about.